Hi JT, I'm going to explain the breakpoint chlorination curve now. So on the x-axis is the chlorine dosage, on the y-axis is the chlorine residual. So you're adding chlorine along the whole x-axis, and in this point the chlorine is destroyed by the heavy metals, including iron and manganese. And then here the chlorine dosage starts increasing, but in zone 1 it's combining with ammonia and nitrogen to form monochloramines, and then in zone 2 it's forming dichloramines, and then it can eventually get to trichloramines. So then right here at the breakpoint, the chlorine breakpoint is when the demand for the chlorine is satisfied and no more needs to be added, which is right here. That's when you shock the system with a 10-to-1 ratio of chlorine, right here. The total chlorine is the remaining chlorine after the demand is met, and this is divided into two sections: the residual chlorine and the combined chlorine. Residual chlorine is the concentration for disinfection, and then the combined chlorine is the concentration of chlorine plus other organic and inorganic compounds. So then after the breakpoint is when everything is satisfied and you don't need to add more chlorine.